Tonight is the night when many channels, including ours, broke away briefly from our coverage of this terrible human health catastrophe that India is in the middle of to focus on the exit polls of these elections, the one in Bengal especially, coming to an end after an excruciatingly long 8 phases. But really the question that many are asking is not necessarily so much as who is ahead and who is behind, but what has been the terrible human cost of these polls. Now, there has actually been a pushback by some political parties trying to indicate that the polls may not have actually exacerbated the virus. But every single number, every single data point in the context of West Bengal actually suggests the reverse. Let's just start by looking at how daily cases have risen in West Bengal during the course of the campaign, and just look at that. They've actually shot up from a low of under 2,000 cases to now hitting almost 18 to 20,000 daily cases in West Bengal. Not just that, the polls, or during the time of the polls, West Bengal's growth rate of the virus has actually crossed that of India. It's almost double. During the period of the 1st to the 29th of April, which is when the polls were at their peak, the virus was growing in India average growth rate of 7%. In West Bengal, growing at 13%. As I said, almost double. And what's scary is that this might actually not reflect the full extent of the spread of the virus in the state, because West Bengal is amongst the lowest testing states in the country. So what you have on your screen are the top 5 highest testing states, which include states like Delhi, Kerala, Karnataka, etc., which are doing anywhere from 4 to 8 lakh tests per million. And then at the bottom of the heap, you have states like Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and West Bengal, which are just testing about 1 lakh per million. And right through this period, the top leaders, both at the center and at the state, were out there campaigning relentlessly, day after day. The Prime Minister racking up almost 24 rallies, 24, Amit Shah 27, Mamata Banerjee clocking in a record 114 rallies, 114, during this campaign. And this is not just hypothetical. The toll it has exacted on those participating in these elections is real. At last count, at least 5 candidates have tragically lost their life in this election. Sameer Ghosh, an independent who died on the 26th of April from the Vaisnab Nagar constituency. Kajal Sinha of the Trinamool Congress from the Khardaha constituency just a day ago. Abdur Rahman of the Congress, he died on the 17th of April. Pradeep Nandi of the Revolutionary Socialist Party lost his life from Jangipur, and Razaul Haq of the Congress also died on the 15th of April.